To a super quick little blast around video with our Tamiya TT-02 race build. Now again, this is running the same setup as in episode 11 with zero timing and motor and ESC out the box, and one of our good friends at the track driving it for us. And we were all so impressed with how this TT-02 Type S performed, considering some of the other chassis out on track were a lot more expensive and high tech with a lot more carbon fibre. This was absolutely holding its own in terms of handling, and actually I thought it handled fantastically. It's precise into the corners, the Tamiya CVA shocks are perfect, and it was just a pleasure to drive. The difference between this and our Tamiya TT-01 was night and day in terms of handling, and the TT-02 Type S with all the mods felt so much more planted, solid and smooth to drive, especially into and out of the corners. Now one thing I will say is that out on track with other cars, it's clear that we didn't have the top speed. It's got fantastic acceleration and speed out of the corners, but we always got caught up on the straights and the fast sections. But our gearing isn't really set up for that at the moment. It's more in a bashing mode, as you can see from our gearing videos. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. We've got some bird's eye view footage coming soon as well, showing you this amazing TT-02 Type S up against some other cars running with 2S and 3S. And actually, I think what we're going to do is enter this into a 17.5 turn blinky racing series at this track, which is going to be fantastic, and we'll get a lot more use out of it as well. So do watch out for our build series leading up to that, and we'll show you all the components, motors and hardware that we use leading into that for 2020. But that's it. Please do rate, comment and subscribe, and do watch out for our new website coming in 2020. Thank you for watching and see you soon.